Hey folks, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to make some orange chicken. It's tangy, it's delicious, it's really simple to make, anybody can do it. So yeah, let's get to cooking.
So first up, the chicken breast. Two pretty monstrous chicken breasts there. So what I'm going to do, same thing I do with every chicken breast, is I'm going to cut off all the bits that I don't like eating. I'm sure nobody else likes eating. Make sure they're all clean. Then I'm going to just cut them up into cubes. You want them fairly even sized. Probably 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. That's kind of what I've gone for with this one. As even as possible, doesn't need to be perfect. Throw out the bits. Just going to transfer the chicken into a pot. And next up I'm going to make the batter. So the batter is slightly different than this one. It's a wet batter. So first up we've got salt and pepper. Then we got our corn flour or cornstarch and our regular flour as well. Again folks, the measurements are all at the end of the video. You don't need to worry about it. I'm going to add in some Chinese 5-spice just to add a bit extra flavor to it. To be honest, you don't really get much of it anyway with the flavor from the orange sauce, but yeah, a little bit's no harm. Then I'm going to throw in an egg on top. About 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And then water. There's probably about, in this whole thing, it's probably about 450 milliliters of water. I kind of put it in bit by bit. The consistency you're looking for here is essentially pancake batter. So you don't want any lumps in it, you want it nice and smooth. So again, just put in as much water as you need. I've almost got it here, maybe it's a little bit thick. So another little piece of water, mix it together, and we're good. So back in with the chicken, throw it in on top, just mix it together. Make sure it's coated. Should stick to it fairly easily because it's like pancake batter, so it should stick fine. So that's it with the chicken. Into the fridge, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, minimum 30 minutes anyway. So next up it's the orange sauce. So what we're going to put in here, first off we've got our brown sugar, we've got our white sugar, got some garlic, got some ginger, we got some chili. So to start off, going to put again probably 2 tablespoons of olive oil, going to put some chili flakes on. Now it's time to bring it over to the hob to start cooking. So with the garlic, I've got this great crusher, smash it in. Same with the ginger. And then just 1 more garlic on top. So yeah, I've used 2 garlic cloves and a knob of ginger, seems to do it. So let that sizzle away. Obviously add in your chilies as well. I put in half the chili. You want this nice and sizzling your way. You want it to flavour the oil as well. And next up is the sugar. Throw it in on top. Yes, that's a serious whack of sugar, but I'm sure you figured out by now this isn't a health food channel. And next, obviously the most important parts of the orange itself. So I've squeezed 2 large oranges here, probably 60-70 milliliters. You can use more, you can use less, it's really up to taste. This gives it a really nice tangy feel, and you can kind of taste it when it's all done. A little bit of soy sauce, tablespoon. And then I put in my corn flour. So the corn flour was mixed with water, I threw it in on top. I also put in some rice wine vinegar there as well. And you want to mix it all together. You want to make sure that the corn flour is mixed. The corn flour is there basically to thicken up the sauce. It's the only reason for it. There's no flavour or anything from it. It's literally there just to thicken up your sauce. So you can see the consistency here. It's got a sticky, maple syrupy kind of texture to it now. Taste some. It's really, really tasty now even. So next up we're gonna cook the chicken. You want to take obviously the batter out of the fridge at this stage. You want to make sure you get your oil up to frying temperature, and then it's just a case of putting the pieces in. I'm not overcrowding it. When you overcrowd it, it just takes too long to cook. To cook these chicken pieces, probably in total took anything between kind of 6 and 8 minutes. Make sure you turn them regularly, you don't want them burnt. You'll find that they're really, really crispy and crunchy almost. So slightly different than the batter we've done before, but it holds the flavour of the sauce we've made really, really well. So that's pretty much the hard part done. Next up, it's mixing the orange sauce with the chicken pieces. I'm gonna mix it all together. And that's basically it. So that is orange chicken. It's sweet, it's sour, it's got an orange flavour, an orange kick to it. It's really, really nice. I've just put it with some coriander and lime rice, and it's amazing. So yeah, listen, give it a go. There's the recipe, and let me know how you get on. Thanks again.